So what is OpenLineage about? For those who don't know, I will be super brief about this, because I assume that most of you know, but anyway. So OpenLineage provides this spec, most of all, to exchange lineage information between those systems that transform or move data to those systems that are interested in capturing lineage information and making it available to consumers. So on the upper side, you basically have those SQL engines, you have orchestration tools, etc. And at the bottom, you have tools like Atlan Data Catalog sort of tooling and others. And you also see Google's logo here. Since recently, we just started adopting OpenLineage as well. OpenLineage is very much focused, or has been until recently, very much focused on capturing operational data lineage. So lineage as it occurs. So there's some data processing happening, inputs read, outputs written, for example, that amounts for a lineage event that OpenLineage aims to capture. Recently, also OpenLineage community started to look at capturing static lineage or design time lineage with a different type of events so broadening basically the scope of OpenLineage itself. The data model is reasonably simple. So there's this run state update, the lineage event I mentioned before, that's emitted by the systems you saw at the top, the orchestration system, execution engines. And this event contains information about what was the job that was executed, the specific run of that job, and what were the inputs and outputs read and written by that specific run of that job. And there, it's actually nice that OpenLineage went with an extensible model from the start. There are facets that can be attached to all of those entities of the run event, run state update. And also the community is contributing more of those facets to capture additional information like column level lineage, maybe some additional information about data quality or whatever about the data sets. So that's just a brief tour of OpenLineage. I think we believe it's very useful to have this standard basically of exchanging lineage information, both for producers and consumers. And so we have invested into providing some compatibility with OpenLineage. And this looks like that at the moment. So on the right-hand side, you see GCP Dataplex. It's a tool with which you govern your data. So it has a data catalog component, but does a lot more than that. Lineage is a crucial part of this. And so we have built the integration with Dataproc Spark through the OpenLineage interface. And we are also going to launch support for Airflow managed in Cloud Composer for OpenLineage production of events. That's coming next year, I guess. If you want to get involved with OpenLineage, you can join on Slack, you can check out the website, and you can certainly contribute, and Pavel will talk more about that later.